Key point 5. Trick your brain before dopamine stimulants do. You procrastinate not because you're not disciplined enough, not capable, or not deserving of your dreams. You procrastinate because you're overstimulated. How often do you feel calm and focused? Think about this. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, scroll through social media, make breakfast, and decide to watch a video while you're eating. You chat with someone, drink another coffee, reply on Instagram, and scroll through stories for 40 minutes. Back to TikTok, send a random email, and do your laundry. You're on a hamster wheel of small tasks that give you a quick dopamine fix. Your essential duties seem uninteresting and dull compared to these tasks. Boom! Welcome to procrastination. You may say that it's not precisely your pattern of morning procrastination, so think about what your distraction loop looks like. Learn to find joy in simple and non-stimulating activities. Here are the top 4 lies your mind will tell you to trick you into overstimulation. 1. You can return to work anytime. What difference will 10 minutes make? Wait, is that you laughing, I hear? The truth is, if you're not in control of your actions, there's a high chance you will lose hours. 2. You can postpone the task for later. But wait, how many goals have you failed to achieve because of delays? There is a risk it will become a habit. 3. Do something else because it's fun and exciting. Exciting doesn't mean fulfilling. Both feelings are important but separate concepts. A comfortable balance should exist between them. 4. You'll miss opportunities if you don't check your social media and emails. But possibilities are everywhere. There will always be plenty of new things. Rate these lies on a scale from 1 to 10 to reflect what keeps you feeling overstimulated. Productivity consists of 3 main components: consistency, impact, and focus. Consistency means developing a routine. The impact is choosing what's most important for you. To be more focused, follow these points. Eliminate distractions. Practice being at the same place at the same time for work. Inspiration and concentration also come from doing, so simply starting the task can help. Work without interruptions for a while. You can do 45-minute cycles of work and a 10 to 15-minute break. Key point 6. From outer chaos to inner peace. Let's focus now on how to deal with overstimulation. A dopamine detox will help you reduce your stimulation level by creating the proper state of mind to perform important or challenging tasks. You can protect your focus by building habits and systems. Thibaut Merus. There are 3 types of dopamine detox. 1. The 48-hour dopamine detox. It's about eliminating external stimulators for 48 hours, including caffeine, alcohol, movies, phones, social media, video games, the internet, and junk food. Instead, you can meditate, walk, journal, read, do yoga, and enjoy nature. It's also a great time to sleep, eat well, and just exist. Engage in solitude and don't be afraid to get bored. Nothingness is an excellent place for new thoughts and beginnings. 2. The 24-hour dopamine detox. You do the same as the 48-hour detox, but for 24 hours. Returning to a natural and peaceful state of mind might take a while, but 24 hours is a great start. 3. The partial dopamine detox. Here you can eliminate one activity that eats your energy and time. For example, you can limit social media usage or take a break from streaming services. It may sound scary initially, but if you do your best to follow small steps, your mindset shifts from the unknown to the possible. Let's take a look at how to begin. Step 1. Make a list of do's and don'ts during your detox. What are your greatest distractors? We provided some examples, but listen to what feels right for you. Step 2. Implement friction. How can you avoid overstimulation? For example, if you struggle with Instagram, a good idea might be to delete the app and only use it with a browser. Write ideas like this in your list of do's and don'ts next to each activity. Step 3. Start your day with a calm morning routine. Another idea might be adding something to your morning routine that deepens your focus. For example, stretch and listen to relaxing music. Planning your day gives you clarity and a feeling of control. Start with it first thing in the morning. To avoid procrastination, set intentions for your day. Conclusion. Highly stimulating activities make you lose control of your attention and affect your focus over the long term. Society offers so many things that can hijack your dopamine neurotransmitters. It wants you to buy things. The best way to sell them is to steal your attention and say that you're not enough. Becoming who you want to be, building a happy family, or losing weight can often become complicated. When you're overstimulated by short-term gratification, you cannot do the things that bring the most value to you. Don't expect fulfillment from short-term pleasure activities. Fulfillment comes from activities that align with your values and goals and give you a feeling that you're pursuing your purpose. Choose the type of dopamine detox that feels good to you right now and explore your feelings. Your mind is such a magical system that helps you build your life. Exploring it in such an exciting way might bring you results you never thought possible. If you feel restless or want to check your messages on a detox, take notes to identify your state of mind and what you may have been doing that led to that feeling. It will help you understand yourself better. The world is fighting for your attention, but you must succeed in achieving your aims. Winning the battle for focus is a continuous process. Sometimes you have to start over. You must have power over your environment, not vice versa. After all, your life goes where your focus goes. Try this. After succumbing to overstimulating activities, take a moment to ask yourself these searching questions. Was the benefit from social media or junk food worth my time? Has it improved the quality of my life? What is the next step to make the situation better? What task would make the biggest impact if I completed it?